it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to film a graduation tutorial. I know graduations are already happening, and I know that there's some that are coming up. If I missed this video and you already graduated, then I'm sorry. You can probably use this tutorial for anything else, like a night out or something. But my graduation is actually in 2 weeks, so I'm just playing around and I decided to film a tutorial. I might even do this look for my graduation. The lip is interchangeable. I did this color lip. I know I already did a red lip on my channel, but I did this color lip because one of the dresses that I have for my graduation is white, so I feel like it would look really nice. And also, the lashes are very dramatic, but I feel like they would photograph really well since graduation is literally all about the pictures, you know. So if you like to see how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Started by prepping my skin for my makeup. So first I applied my e.l.f. illuminating eye cream to protect my under eye area, and then I went in with my Eminence Citrus and Kale serum just to add extra moisture to my skin. Then I moisturized my face using my Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. This was included in my April favorites. If you have not seen the video, it will be linked up above. Then to prime my skin, I used my Urban Decay Quickie Fix Primer Spray. And then over top of that, I used my Glam Glow Glow Starter Moisturizer just to give my skin a little bit of a dewy effect underneath my foundation. Then I filled in my eyebrows using my Anastasia pencil in soft brown and some clear eyebrow gel. For foundation, I used my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 120, and I blended it out using my Morphe sponge. And for concealer, I used my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. For contour, I used my Wet n Wild Call Me Maple Contour Stick, and then I set it and baked my face using my RCMA No Color Powder. While I was baking, I primed my eyes using the Essence eyeshadow primer, and then I wiped off my bake using a fluffy fan brush. For contour, I used the lightest shade in my Lorac Pro palette, and then for blush, I used my Morphe 8C, and for highlight, I used my Diamond Glow powder in the shade Cocoa Bling. For eyeshadow, I used my Morphe 3502, and I used the shade Universal in the transition, and then I blended it out using my Morphe MB23 brush. Then I used the shade Ablaze and placed it slightly below the transition just to give it more of a orangey effect. To cut my crease, I used the same NARS concealer, and I only cut it about 1/4 of the way just to make the eyeshadow look more ombre. And then I took my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner to create a very thin line on my upper lash line. I then highlighted my brow bone in my inner corner using the same highlighter that I used on my face, and then I prepped my lashes for falsies with the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. For my lower lash line, I took the same shade Ablaze and smoked it out all over the lower lashes, and then the falsies that I used were the Lily lashes in the style Miami. I lined my lips using my Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in the shade Bear to Comment. You guys know this is my ride or die. And then the lipstick that I used was the Dose of Colors Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Los Angeles. To complete the look, I set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.